For decades, Harley Davidson has been the guardian of American motorcycling tradition, rolling out heavyweight cruisers and baggers that embody freedom on the open road. But as the motorcycle world evolves, so too does Harley. With the arrival of the Pan America 1250 ST, the company ventures deeper into the fast-growing adventure touring segment. This isn't just another Harley dressed up for the wilderness. It's a motorcycle designed to rival the best in sport touring, while offering riders the flexibility to explore beyond paved roads. Cycle World's first ride reveals a machine that is not only functional, but also transformative for Harley's image. The Pan America ST combines cutting-edge technology, nimble handling, and robust performance into a package that aims to satisfy both loyal Harley enthusiasts and riders new to the brand. Let's explore what makes this motorcycle a noteworthy addition to the adventure touring lineup. Breaking from tradition, Harley's new direction. The Pan America platform marked Harley's first serious step into the adventure category, proving it could go beyond cruisers. The ST version builds upon this foundation, emphasizing road performance over dirt-busting ruggedness. Instead of chasing the hardcore off-road ethos of some competitors, Harley has taken a calculated step. Focus on street dominance with adventure styling, offering a machine that thrives where most riders actually spend the majority of their time. This positioning is strategic. The Pan America ST appeals to riders who want the commanding presence and versatility of an adventure bike, but don't plan on tackling gnarly single-track trails. With its 17-inch wheels, sport touring rubber, and refined suspension setup, it's engineered as much for carving mountain passes as for exploring unpaved backroads. Handling that surprises. One of the strongest impressions from the Cycle World Ride Review is how agile the Pan America ST feels. Despite its size and Harley badge, it demonstrates quick turn-in and playful cornering ability. The bike carries itself more like a nimble sport tourer than a heavyweight cruiser. This sense of agility stems from carefully balanced geometry and chassis design. Where traditional Harleys often favor stability over responsiveness, the Pan America ST flips the script. It's eager to dive into curves, holds its line with confidence, and rewards riders who enjoy spirited riding. For Harley, this level of agility is groundbreaking, making the ST arguably the sharpest handling model the brand has ever produced. The Revolution Max engine, Harley's modern heart. At the center of the Pan America 1250 ST lies the Revolution Max power plant, Harley's liquid-cooled V-twin that has become the company's modern engineering centerpiece. Unlike the air-cooled engines that have defined Harley for decades, this motor is built to rev, delivering smooth yet lively power across the range. The Cycle World Review praises its rev-happy personality and responsive throttle. Unlike traditional Harleys that encourage low RPM cruising, the Revolution Max thrives when pushed, offering strong acceleration that suits both touring and sporty riding. Paired with a gearbox that shifts with surprising precision and smoothness, the powertrain provides an experience that feels distinctly modern while still retaining a Harley edge. This combination marks a turning point for Harley Davidson. Instead of relying solely on nostalgia, the company is proving it can build engines that compete with, and even challenge, the offerings from Europe and Japan. Advanced technology for modern riders. Adventure touring motorcycles live and die by their technology, and the Pan America 1250 ST delivers a suite of features designed to compete with the best. Highlights include multiple riding modes, tailored for different road and light off-road conditions, lean-sensitive ABS and traction control, providing confidence in varying grip levels, wheelie control and cornering aids, designed for safety without stripping away fun, adaptive electronic suspension, adjusting preload and damping automatically, ride height adjustment, lowering the bike at stops to help riders reach the ground more easily. The ride height system is particularly innovative. It addresses a key barrier for many riders: tall seat heights on adventure bikes, making the Pan America ST more approachable without sacrificing handling. For a segment often criticized as intimidating to shorter riders, this is a major win. Comfort, practicality, and touring readiness. Beyond performance, the Pan America ST comes well-equipped for long-distance touring. Features such as a multi-position seat, adjustable windscreen, heated grips, and crash protection are included as standard. Even a skid plate and center stand are part of the package, elements that many competitors offer only as extras. These details emphasize Harley's commitment to providing a complete, ready-to-ride adventure tourer. Riders can head out for extended road trips without immediately investing in aftermarket upgrades. The ergonomics also strike a balance, offering comfort for hours in the saddle, while maintaining a sporty riding position for when the roads get twisty. The limitations, not without compromise. Despite its strengths, the Pan America 1250 ST is not without drawbacks. The suspension travel, measuring around 7.5 inches, is shorter than what many hardcore ADV riders might expect. Combined with limited ground clearance, this restricts its ability to handle challenging off-road terrain. For gravel roads and mild trails, it's perfectly capable, but don't expect it to thrive on rocky climbs or deep ruts. The engine, while powerful and fun, runs a high compression ratio, which raises questions about long-term durability under heavy loads or harsh conditions. Time will tell if Harley's engineering holds up as well as established rivals in the segment. Additionally, design quirks like the engine-as stressed member frame and side stand placement have raised eyebrows. While these aren't deal-breakers, they highlight Harley's relative inexperience in this category compared to manufacturers who have refined their adventure platforms over decades. Who should consider the Pan America ST? The Pan America 1250 ST is not designed for riders who dream of Dakar-style adventures. Instead, it caters to sport touring enthusiasts who want sharp handling in an adventure-styled machine, touring riders seeking comfort, features, and Harley character with modern performance. Newcomers to Harley Davidson who may have overlooked the brand due to its cruiser-heavy image. Adventure-curious riders who want gravel road flexibility without needing a hardcore off-road machine. For these audiences, the Pan America ST delivers a balanced mix of road performance, comfort, and light off-road capability. A strategic move in the global market. From a business perspective, the Pan America ST is an important step for Harley Davidson. The adventure touring segment is one of the fastest growing in motorcycling, with strong players like BMW, KTM, and Ducati dominating. By entering this space with a competitive product, Harley broadens its appeal